Hello everyone, and welcome to our second lecture on the list class. So, in the previous lecture we covered what a list is and using the append method for adding data to a list. But what happens if we have more than one list and we want to add that list together? Well, Python has made it easy for us to mix lists and to add them together. So I'm going to make three lists first. I'm going to call this first list, which will contain three numbers, 1, 2, 3. Second list, which will contain 4, 5, 6. And third list, which will contain, as you might have guessed, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so I'm going to make a fourth list, which I'll call total. And I'm going to say this is equal to the first list plus the second list. But wait a minute. Won't it add the values of 1, 2, 3 to 4, 5, 6? Well, for the plus operator in Python for lists, what it'll actually do is similar to strings. It won't concatenate them, right? So the first list and the second list will be concatenated and it'll be stored into total. Another way of concatenating lists is to use the plus equals operator. So I can add the third list this way. Right, so in line 13, I concatenated the first list and the second list together, stored it in total. And then on line 14, I took total and I concatenate third list to it. Why don't we print what that looks like? Nice. So the first list, second list, and third list have been combined together to form one big list. So while we can use append to add data and the plus equals operator to add data as well, we also have two more options. We have the extend method and we have the insert method. So let's look at some examples of that. So with total, we are going to extend the list with another list. It'll contain the values 11 and 12. But you know what? I want to insert 0 at position 0. So what I'll do is I'll say total insert 0, 0. And you know what? When I extended the list, I forgot 10. So let's insert 10. And let's print what that looks like. Not too bad. Well, you know what? I think I added too many values. I'm not happy with this. I regret inserting 0. I think I'd like to remove it, not to insert it anymore. So I will use the delete keyword, which is not a method, it's a keyword. So I will delete total of 0 and I will delete total of -1. Right? So here I'm going to delete the first, index 0 of total, which has a value of 0. And here I'm going to delete the last element of my list because of the -1 index, which would be 12. So if I print total here, I should get 1 through 11. And that's exactly what happens. Thank you for watching this video. This will conclude our introduction to lists. Thank you.